Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for you to see what is in store for today, but before we do that, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment on this video, and hit the bell notification before you leave, and let's get started. So I found this beauty box at Meijer. I know you can't see my face, but I just wanted to open it with you guys and see what was in here. I haven't opened it. The only thing I did was take some of the plastic off so that I could open it. I didn't want to scan there to see what was inside because I wanted it to be a surprise for both of us. So let's see what we have. So the first thing is this L'Oreal pre-shampoo. So I don't know what any of this stuff is yet, so this stuff I may be able to try on the channel, maybe not. We'll just have to see. The next thing we have, toothpaste for sensitive teeth. Cool. Next we have a sunscreen from Neutrogena. Oh, so it's a dietary supplement, I guess. Pretty cool. Let's see. This is also a sunscreen. And I think this is the last thing. Drip drop dehydration really fast. So it's kind of giving me like, whatever it's called. I can't think of what it's called right now. Liquid IV vibes. That's what I was trying to say. So I don't know if every box has the same stuff in it, so if any of this is stuff you'd be interested in, you should definitely get one. This isn't sponsored. I just bought it on my own. So it was like $6.99, but when I rung it up, it was $4.99, so I got it for a couple of dollars off. So yeah, definitely let me know if you get one and if it had the same stuff in it or different stuff, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.